Let's go, Miss Maria.
Tuwa.
Sa kabilang
Baba lahat ng nag-smokers. Baba lahat ng nag-smokers.
Oo,
Lahat kayo.
Kaya, pati sa one call to action actually, ang ganda ng call to action because you didn't criticize the kailangan tayo umalpas sa tinatawag nating armchair activism. Iba yung activism sa social media sa activism na support solidarity sa baseball muscles natin sa community. So that's very good. That's important. That's been out in a very creative manner. So congratulations.